guys, what's up? Morning. It's morning time. I actually wanted to start vlogging, so I'm gonna do that. It's a bit weird because I'm not really sure how to do that with the camera in my face all the time. So it should be interesting. Let's vlog, baby. So things are actually picking up a little with the program, and it's what I love to do. I love to help others and help them with their chronic diseases. So being flexible and doing my program is actually working out right now. I've been struggling for a while to get like a source of income, steady source, but now I have like a good few people in the program, so it's working out pretty well. Yes, I do. Take my time, finding me. The way you move, the way you feel. You with me, one kiss is all it takes. So we just picked up my sister.
Buenos dias.
And now I'm gonna drop her off and then head across the South Park to do my $50 special.
Yes.
See you guys then.
She's awesome.
After I dropped my sister home, I met someone to do the $50 special. So she said the South Park, but then she said the license office because she had a busy day. So that's alright because I'm flexible with it. Naughty, naughty. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go to Chase Village Medical to do another session. So gotta change up and drive over. In the usual traffic. I have a few errands to do because I gotta type up that advice session from this morning. And I also have to send a picture to the influencers group. Walking up. Got my bag of stuff. Let's go upstairs and see this patient, man. Set up. And they're here, so BRB. Alright, so I just typed up this stuff for this patient and information about the Didi program. Gotta put away all the equipment and head home. It's about 5:50 right now, nearly 6 o'clock. So it's time to feed the doggies and eat myself. It's morning time. I have to wake up and go to Maruga with the 40 under 40 influencers. It's gonna take up most of my day, so couldn't really plan anything else really. I'm all ready in my outfit, and they're still in Port of Spain. They're like, oh, be there for 8. It's 40 under 40 influencers. Yes. So I'm gonna eat breakfast and then head over to the bus. I was just typing up emails because the youth group wanted pictures, a biography, and they wanted us to fill out a questionnaire. So I'm just doing that. Where's your bum bum? Eating, hubby. This is my relaxing time right now after such a long, tiring day. So, just playing with the doggies. See me? So, the event was really nice, really successful. Look at you. It was really good, and we took some pictures, and everybody, all the influencers, spoke about how they overcome their negativity and how they deal with everyday issues and how they got their business started, and you know, it's okay if you don't know what you want to do in life, but always try to have like a goal and aspiration and try to move forward, keep moving forward. That's the thing. Learn and grow, and you will be on the right path eventually. My menu. Still gotta like work on it. Supposed to be for a month. And then there's this diabetes educator. A list of things to do today is to continue working on that menu. And the diabetes educator course at 12. At 12, I have to go down to Bamboo to see a guy and to see a girl about who joins both for the Ship Me Didi program, and then pass by Water 1 to collect some water, most likely. And I'm not sure if I'm going to have any other sessions after that, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Squishy breakfast. Squishy. Where the next one? Mama! Why are you inside? Bammy, you're not supposed to be inside. Okay. Breakfast time! Breakfast time! Eat up. Eat your breakfast. Made dog food last night, so I'm just bagging it up. Hi guys, so I'm gonna head out to Bamboo soon. Gotta eat. It's now 11:30. I'm doing quite a lot of home visits because a lot of people prefer that, and it's no extra charge. So I have a first visit consultation, and then I have a revisit consultation with someone in the same area. Then I'm going to head over to Water 1, get some water, and I have a nutrition first visit this evening. I just came to pee, so I'm heading back. I'm going to go to Water 1 to collect some water. Got my lap, man. Now I'm gonna just fill up some gas, and I'm supposed to have a patient at 3 p.m. 3:30. This traffic is like crazy as usual. I love how the mountains look. Love. They're so beautiful, man. Beautiful. So I'm full, kind of full, and I'm at my next home visit, so it's time to go. Got all my equipment here. Let's do my revisit. And then after, I have to head down to Chase Village Medical to have another first session. Woo! Hey guys, so I'm back in the car. Now it's time to head to Chase Village Medical. I gotta go do another patient. I'm tired. Driving. I made it. Got my stuff set up. Gotta wait for him. After this is to head home and get something to eat and relax, and then type up all of this information and send it to those I saw today, those persons I saw today. Yep, that's it. Gotta feed the doggies too. I'm finished. Time to head home now. It's dark outside. Dark. Time to feed my squishums. Squishums. Yes. Okay, so I just fed the doggies and now I'm gonna eat something myself. I just finished, typed up everything, and now I sent it to the business I saw today. I just feel like the day isn't over until I get that done and send it off. So off to bed now, and I'll see you in the morning. Time to wake up, guys. Morning, guys. What's up? It's Friday. So my schedule is actually not packed today, but I have a lot of work to catch up on because I still have to finish this menu. I still have this diabetes educator course to complete, and I have a video to edit and put up for my special that's coming up, my $150 special to help persons manage their chronic disease, whether it's diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart problems, whatever it is, during the Christmas season. I also have to work on a presentation for a vegan presentation that I have to do soon, and my diabetes program that I'm gonna launch next year, January. So yeah, I still have a lot on my plate and gotta get to it. So first things first, breakfast time. Catfish. Aww, who wants your tummy rub? Who wants your tummy rub? You're so sweet. Look at that fish. I spilled.
For mealtime carbohydrates, and when thinking about insulin regimens, which typically will use.
So, my sister sent me stuff.
Goody.
Classic. It's Saturday. So one person for the home visit canceled. So, and I also have another cancellation for grocery tour and revisit. So today, first thing I have to do, get ready, feed the doggies, and then head over to a grocery for one grocery shopping tour. Then I have a cooking session, then another grocery shopping tour, and that might take me to like lunch. Then I have another grocery shopping tour after that. And I might have exercise session, but I'm not sure, so I have to confirm. So it's time to wake up. It's time to get off the bed and start the day. Let's get to it. Fun. I got my nuts to snack on. And water, duh. So I'll check in with you guys later. Driving now. Okay, I'm back home, and the person for the cooking session postponed it to tomorrow, maybe next week, because she overslept. Well, she went out late last night, so that's fine. Flexibility is key. Yes, I love you so much. So sweet. Ben. Yes, baby. Yes. What would I do with all these cute faces? They're so adorable. I love them so much. I'm on the road again, heading to Bamboo to do a grocery. I'm back home, just changed, and I'm working on the grocery shopping tour feedback handouts that I type up at the end of the session. So just to give examples of, you know, what we went through. Then after, I have another grocery shopping session at 3:30. This weather's crazy today though, so I'm not really sure if the person will cancel or not, but it actually stopped raining right now, so I'm on my way to church. Yep. So morning. So it's time to bathe the doggies. Yep, just put back on some old clothes and I'm gonna bathe them. Always bathe them on Sunday. They hate to bathe. They love to play with the hose. They love to play with the hose, but they really hate to bathe. Baby, it's bathing day. Bathing squishy. And then after that, I have a grocery shopping tour. At like 8:30. It's now like 7:30. And this evening I have 2 exercise sessions. I might have a cooking session, but it's not confirmed yet, so we'll see how it goes. Baby don't like to bathe. Your turn. Time to soap you up. Come on. Soapy. No, you have soap on you. Time to wash it off. Who's your fluffy? Fluffy? Peepers! I just went to bed. Look at you. Could you let me get ready? Boy. So I'm going to a grocery shopping tour right now, and what I love about grocery shopping tours is that I help you come up with a healthy grocery shopping list. So we identify with products that you buy, and you ask me questions based on what you want and what your needs are and your family needs and stuff like that. So it's very, very informative and fun. I just stepped on my grocery shopping tour stuff and I'm home now. I'm gonna eat lunch, and then this evening I'm supposed to have 2 exercise sessions, so I have to confirm that, and the cooking session, so we'll see how it goes. Eat up. Yum. Church, man. Working on the slides. Whoop. Yeah. This evening, the first person canceled for the exercise session because she has a family thing. And the next one I still have to confirm because the weather actually got really, really crazy. But it stopped raining right now, so hopefully by this evening it should be okay. And we'll be able to work out. Yes! So we're supposed to actually have a cooking session together as well, so I'll see how that goes. Hi guys, I'm on my way to my exercise session. Woo! Yeah, it's totally awesome. We're going bamboo now, so after that I think that's it for today. I'm not really sure. She was supposed to do the cooking session with me, but it's kind of late and I don't really want to be out in the dark. If I could avoid it, I will want to avoid it because of all the crazy people that come out at night. Yeah, so should be fun. Always. Guys, so it's Monday and I fed the doggies, ate myself, and then I made a few calls and emails and stuff like that, normal errand stuff. Then I have to still work on my presentation as well as finish up my program, diabetes educator course. All of that drama I still have to do. Today is exercise sessions mainly this evening, and I may have a cooking session, but I still have to confirm with that because this weather is like completely insane right now, so it's really having like a